Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So I haven't ride in about a week and I've been trying to change this controllers right here that I'm about to show you guys, and I've been getting really frustrated. Nothing is going my way lately when it comes to this. So I'm going to show it to you. I'm going to ask you guys for advice. I know you guys know or have a ton of knowledge. So please share some comments down below and let me know, because like I say, I'm getting pretty frustrated about this. So I want you to look at this. Look how nice this look. And I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna talk about my experiences with Hill Country Custom, I think it's called. Pretty much it was amazing. It was really amazing. They sent it to my house, really nice. And obviously, as you can see, I'm trying to go with the whole chrome look here on my handlebars. And this is the brake side, obviously. And here is the clutch side. A big improvement from what I had before, and there is a mess around here because my little boy was building and playing around with me. So like I said, you know, really nice. Let me show you what I had before that, and again, you know, so just kind of give you you know, the difference. So I want you to look at this, and this is what I came out from the bike. Obviously you see how disgusting and just old and everything was. If you put it side by side with this, you could see just the difference, right? Really nice compared to this. And by the way, I think I paid like 240 bucks or something like that for the whole system. Here's a look to the old levers. Obviously they're not chrome or anything like that. And here's just pretty much the same levers, but in chrome. Here's a quick look at the bottom part of the housing. And obviously now they are chrome, and I like about it because it kind of like chrome with black. I think, in my opinion, they just look really nice. If you compare that to this, you can see the difference. Again, very nice. And I love the look of the chrome with the black. Obviously my bike is blue with chrome, and you know, being the Road King Classic, you're gonna have this hard bags that I have here, but it came with leather bag, which I have here in the garage. But again, I like the whole look of the black with the chrome. I think it looks really nice. I want to give you a quick look of the mirrors just to show you how nasty they are. Very disgusting. This is what it had. I was planning to like clean them up and make it look nice, but then I decided just to buy new ones for about 45 bucks that I pay in JP Cycle. I thought it was going to be just fine, $45, and that's pretty much it, right? Let's talk about the frustrations now. Now, I've been at work, working like crazy, so every day I've been kind of working with it, and you know what? It hasn't been completely too difficult. Just a couple things that I want to show you guys. Definitely share some comments down below and let me know. All right, so step number one, I bought the mirrors and I like them. I wanted to put in like this just for the look primarily. I don't think it's going to give me as much visibility, but again, you know, I wanted to try this look. Now it had a little bit of thread showing, and what I did was that I cut it, and again, you know, just cut a little piece off, and now it looks really nice. Happy with that. But the problem is this right here. Look at this. I mean, it's to the point that it moved really easy. Like here, it just, you know, it just moved. And obviously that's not good because, again, you know, the wing or anything like that, it's probably gonna, like, look at this. It's probably going to make it move, right? So again, that may be the fact that it's JP Cycle, one of the, I don't think it was a brand or brand name. It was just whatever. So again, being just whatever, you know what, I paid 45 bucks. It's one of those things that maybe quality, you get what you pay for kind of thing. Let me know down in the comment section below. What do you guys think? Maybe there's a way to secure this or lock this. I don't think so. But again, share some comments down below. Now, there was a bunch of different mirrors in there, tons of them, but I kind of wanted to go classic, you know, something really nice or something very classic look, nothing crazy, right? My bars are like this, so I don't want anything that looks kind of like future or anything like that. So again, maybe something like this or something that I could secure this a little bit better would be nice. Now, obviously, I changed the brake right here, and obviously the line and all that stuff. So you have to bleed the brakes. And if you see the brake right here, I mean, it's catching, and it kind of feels better than what I had before. It really does feel better, and I think the reason why is because the new reservoir, obviously. But before, I used to go all the way back here, and I mean, the brake just sucks. So again, very, very happy with the brake, very, very happy with this. But the problem is that I cannot, wow, bleed the brake. Look at this. First of all, it looks like it's not even threaded the right way. It really doesn't. It looks like it's just put there. Let me see if I can get it to focus. All right, so it just doesn't look good. See right there. So anyways, I tried to get a wrench and obviously open it up, and no luck at all. I even make this thing right here where I got a bottle. My intent was, from watching a bunch of videos, you know, just stick it in there, open it up, and have the wife help me. And again, you know what? The nut right here is almost stripped, right? As I'm pushing down, it's just not opening. So any ideas to do that, please let me know down in the comment section below. I really don't want to, you know, I really want to bleed the brakes before I do anything else, right? And again, you know, this side, about the same. There it is. Yeah, this side, I had the same issue. Again, you know, just a pain on the butt. It would not open up. So again, front brake, it feels like it will stop the bike, but nevertheless, again, you know, the fact that I can't bleed the brakes, I don't like that. And this thing right here is just really upsetting me. Now, the last thing that I'm having issue is adjusting this clutch right here. And here it is. Back. Yeah. So I'm having issues with that, right? So again, I gotta kind of fix this one right there, but look at this. So I'm trying to adjust the cable right here, but man, I'm going up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, and it's just not doing anything. So at this point, I've been watching videos. A lot of people say you have to readjust the clutch in the primary, or, you know, back here where the derby cover is. I'm not really sure. Again, any comments down there, please let me know, because even when I lose this right here and I try to rotate this, it's really difficult to rotate, like extremely difficult. So man, I don't know, guys. I really don't know. I wish that Yogi from, you know, Cycles and Service, and his channel, if you haven't subscribed to him, I'll link it down below. I wish I lived close to him, because I will be taking my bike to his garage right now. All right, guys. Appreciate you guys watching. Any comments, please put them down below. Appreciate the support. And as always, God is in control.